Hi guys, welcome to the video. My name's Jake. If you remember a few episodes ago, we sent the power steering rack to be refurbished. And it's back now. I've just been to collect it today. We're going to be cleaning up the area underneath the power steering rack, just so that we can get everything looking nice and clean before it goes back in. I feel like this car doesn't deserve this nice new... I'll put some pictures on the screen now, but you'll see what I mean. It looks so posh. I hope you're enjoying these videos, and stick around for more. Okay, that's looking a lot better now. It's not perfect. Ideally, I'd have liked to jet wash, like to get all the grease out behind all these bolts and stuff. But I don't own a jet wash, so we're gonna have to make do with this. I was gonna paint it. A part of me was thinking I should have left it all greasy, because that's probably the only thing that was protecting it from the rust. Maybe I'll paint it at some point with a brush or something, but it's come out nice and clean now. It's looking good, ready for the steering rack to go back in. This is everything that came out. I pulled out the nose support at the front because it was just pointless being there, and it gave me the opportunity to clean everything behind it. So there's no nose support. It should have gone across here, but I've ripped it off and just cleaned it. What bit are we attaching now? I don't know what it's called.
Go into the steering column.
So we're just fitting that bit on now, and then we're going to pop it in the car. Oh, we're going to attach the lines first, aren't we, before we put it back in? And then hopefully, I put the pump on earlier today. This is the first time this pump's been on in like 2 years. Put the new belt on. I need some more bolts to go in the bottom here. I've only got the one that goes in the back. So once those bottom bolts are in, this belt will be a lot tighter. And it's all nice and clean, ready to drop in. We're going to do that now. So we're having trouble. We've got everything back in, but we're having trouble getting this hose back onto the back of the pump, because the other hose was perished. Where is it? The other hose looks like this, and this, and so I'm replacing it with some fuel hose, but it's slightly too small, and rather than do a proper job, we're just going to force it on. So we're doing the boiling water technique and a little bit of washing up liquid. Kieran's going to do the honours.
There we go.
Oh, he's on. You're in. You're on. God, that was so much easier. Is it actually on?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I hope you can use the fuel hose for this. Like, does power steering fluid degrade fuel hose? I'm sure it doesn't. We'll find out when we spring a leak.
At least you know where it's coming from.
Hmm.
They're meant to go all the way on.
I'd assume so. It's probably best.
Maybe.
Okay, just reattaching the steering column. Kieran's in there doing his business.
After we found a little problem.
Yeah, the I don't know how we worked it out, and I don't know if this is correct, but we couldn't get the steering. What's this called? A column.
Yeah.
We couldn't get the steering column to push all the way in to the steering rack to attach. It was like about a centimetre out, and so we couldn't get it on the thread all the way on the splines. And we were doing a bit of bashing and it wasn't working. I thought, well, let's grab the key, put the key in the ignition barrel, and then try it, and it worked. It slotted straight in, it moved. So I don't know whether it's some sort of steering lock which was stopping the wheel coming in and out or what, but we didn't have to do that to get it out, so I'm not sure what happened.
Maybe we should have.
Yeah, maybe we knackered something getting it out, but it's working now anyway. So while I was sat here tapping it, trying to get it back in, all I needed to do was turn the key. So that was good. I don't know how we thought of that, but it works. Your track rod ends.
I've gone for 17 turns.
Have you?
Yeah. Don't know why, but it seems there.
1, 2, 3.
How much pressure do you have to put on yours?
Pressure?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
On the top of it. Just the
Oh,
top of it.
not a huge amount. Mine's on. I'm just pushing the radiator out.
Oh, handle.
That was it was coming out really rusty, but that's looking a lot better now. I wasn't sure whether the radiator was actually blocked or not. This is a nice confirmation. Wonder if I should do it back the other way as well. Oh, that's so good. Yeah, rusty. Look at that. Why is it so rusty the other way?
Different angle.
Nice. Oh, there's actually stuff coming out of it as well. Like crap. Cool. I'm glad I did that. I'd rather get all the crusty bits out in the drain rather than go
In the car.
Bit of a disaster. The hose from that sandwich plate has leaked. Didn't expect that, but it's gone absolutely everywhere. Ah, dear.